Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how we can prevent serialization and deserialization of the singleton class. So in previous video, we can prevent initialization using reflection, and we cannot allow clone of the singleton class. And third one is we can add protected object and read resolve or stream protected, and here one. So return the get instance. So after adding this, we are not allowed to serialization and deserialization of singleton class object. So it is prevent. So when it is called resolve, then it is called a static get instance method. So this way we can prevent deserialization and serialization attack on a singleton class. So we can cover what we do in previous and now. So previously we restrict the initialization in a private constructor using reflection. We can prevent, and second one is clone is not allowed in a singleton class, and the third one is we can prevent serialization and deserialization. So whenever called read resolve method, then get instance method is called.